Ever wondered about the origins of those everyday apps that have become so integral to our lives? We tap, we swipe, we use them almost without thinking, but behind every successful platform lies a story of innovation, vision, and a pivotal starting point. Today, we're diving into the genesis of a company that changed the game for micro-investing, making financial growth accessible to millions. We're talking about Raiz. When exactly did this financial disruptor first emerge on the scene? Before Raiz became the widely recognized name it is today, particularly in Australia and parts of Southeast Asia, it had a different identity. The concept of rounding up spare change from everyday purchases and investing it automatically wasn't entirely new globally, but bringing it to the Australian market in a seamless, user-friendly app format was a significant step. This groundbreaking approach aimed to empower a new generation of investors, often those who felt traditional investing was too complicated or required too much capital. The idea behind Raiz, and its initial iteration, was to democratize investing, making it as simple as buying a coffee. Imagine every time you bought something for $3.50, the extra 50 cents would be automatically invested. Over time, these small amounts would accumulate, growing into a substantial portfolio without you even noticing the impact on your daily spending. This innovative model resonated deeply with individuals looking for passive ways to grow their wealth. So, when did this all begin? Raiz, as we know it today, officially launched in February 2016 in Australia. It initially operated under the brand name Acorns Australia due to a licensing agreement with the US-based Acorns. This launch marked a significant moment for the Australian fintech landscape, introducing a novel way for people to engage with investments. The company's journey didn't stop there, of course. After its successful debut, Raiz continued to evolve. In June 2018, it rebranded from Acorns Australia to Raiz Invest Limited and subsequently listed on the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, under the ticker RZI. This move was a major milestone, solidifying its position as a public company and allowing it to expand its offerings and reach even further. Since its founding in 2016, Raiz has continuously innovated, introducing features like Raiz Invest Super for superannuation investments, Raiz Kids for custodial accounts, and Raiz Rewards for cashback investing. They've also expanded internationally, establishing a presence in countries like Indonesia and Malaysia, though they later divested from these operations to refocus on their core Australian market. Their commitment to making investing simple and accessible has earned them numerous accolades, including multiple Investment Innovator of the Year awards. From a simple idea of micro-investing spare change, Raiz has grown into a prominent financial technology company, demonstrating the power of making investing approachable for everyone. Its 2016 founding date marks the beginning of a significant shift in how many people in Australia approach saving and wealth creation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.